you're stuck at home and you're feeling pretty bored. Maybe you just got out of school or you just have a break from work and this video caught your attention. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 ideas that you can recreate for summer. These are all super fun and affordable. Special thank you to my friends at Skillshare for partnering with me on today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with over 4 million students and thousands of classes in business, technology, animation, and photography. There is honestly something there for everybody. So be sure to watch the entire video to learn how you can earn 2 free months of classes on Skillshare. So if you guys learned something new from today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new, be sure to subscribe, click the little red button here or down below. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Go! Idea number 1 is to take an online class. With all of this free time, why not sharpen up on those skills, things that you've been wanting to learn? I know you might be thinking, I just got out of school, why do I want to take another online class? Summer is the perfect time to improve upon your personal skills. I've graduated for a few years now and I honestly miss school, which is why I love Skillshare so much. It's an online community with thousands of classes in business, technology, animation. I love that you get to learn from industry experts. My favorite topic so far has been the animation classes. Ever since I was a little girl, I have always wanted to learn more about how to animate my own videos. I think it'd be a skill that would be very useful in my YouTube career. An annual membership to Skillshare is actually cheaper than most online classes. It's only $10 a month, so I think it's quite affordable. So be sure to check out my link to Skillshare, which will be down below in the description box. The first 500 people to sign up will get 2 months free, so be sure to go check out the offer down below. For the second idea, let's get creative. Go on Pinterest and find a Pinterest craft that you've been loving and you want to recreate. So one thing I've been dying to recreate is this balloon backdrop. I really loved her balloon wall, so I'm going to try my best to recreate it with what I have. And I want to know if this is a Pinterest do or a Pinterest fail. So I purchased a variety of different balloons, large, medium, and small. So I'm going to give this a try and you guys can see how I do. DIY, you're going to need some masking tape. I'm just going to roll it up. It's gonna be a birthday party. Okay, I'll stop being weird. Balloon wall. I really love the different colors and how fun it is. I think it's perfect for any birthday party or celebration, graduation. Definitely give this DIY a big thumbs up. You should definitely give it a try. It was so much fun and super easy to do. Idea number 3 is to try the Instagram followers control my life trend. So this is where you ask your Instagram followers to help decide your day. So you don't have to be Insta famous to do this. I really love this trend because it's very interactive and it's so much fun. They pretty much follow you along the day. A few examples of questions would be like, what should I eat for breakfast? Go shopping and have your friends help pick out an outfit.
Hi, so now I'm in the dressing room trying to figure out what to get.
Or you can go on a crazy walking adventure and see where it leads you. Honestly, I have met some of my closest friends on social media and I'm not surprised that you guys know me so well. Idea number 4 is to have a doggy play date or a pet play date. Doggy kiss! So I love taking my dog Bella on walks and taking Bella to a dog park. You can also ask a neighbor or a friend if you could pet sit for them. I'm sure they would be so happy if you could. We have so much fun together playing fetch, and I love taking her on different walks and hikes. She's such an active partner and she's so much fun to be with. Bella is a Maltese poodle and she's about 4 years old. Idea number 5 is to make a recipe that you've had saved for a long time. You can cook, you can bake. For instance, I love cooking because it's a great way for me to unwind. I find it extremely relaxing. One thing I've been wanting to make is Korean sushi. So I found a really popular recipe here on YouTube by Manchi. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. First, start by laying down your sushi paper with the shiny side down, and then we're going to grab some rice here and just put it on top. For the first layer, we're going to add our beef. I'm probably going to be a bit more conservative for the first roll just because I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. And then I'm going to add some of the carrots. Now I'm going to add a piece of the pickled radish. We're not going to forget our blanched spinach. Alrighty, so let's start rolling. So I'm just going to hold the ingredients here, press. And here is the finished kimbap. It looks so delicious. Grab a friend, grab your partner, make the food together. This could be a fun date idea, or you can even meal prep together. I totally give you permission to watch all 800 of my videos. I've been making DIY videos, fashion and lifestyle videos for a very long time, and I have a bunch of very popular series here. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to check those out. I will link 3 of my top favorite videos down below. For me, I really love my 25 lessons I learned by 25 video, where I take you along a year of my life and I show you around San Francisco and some of the places that I traveled to. So if you have some free time, be sure to watch that video. Send me screenshots of the videos that you decide to watch. I love being able to put a face to a username. Start by taking your hair tie, and I'm going to flip my hair over, adding all of my hair to the top of my head. Just going to start by twisting my hair and then wrapping it around once. And then now taking my hair tie, I'm going to secure it all together. Now that I have my hair up in a bun, I'm just going to quickly loosen it a bit because I don't want it too tight. Next, I'm going to take my bandana that I've had rolled up, and I'm just going to tie this together. Last but not least, if you're still feeling really bored, I would recommend listening to a podcast or reading a book. I've been obsessed with podcasts just because I feel like it's a really great way for me to learn new information while I'm getting ready in the morning. A few of my favorite podcasts are NPR's How I Built This, Hidden Brain, and I've also been loving the #Viral podcast by Natalie's Outlet. I love hearing the stories from different YouTubers, how they've built their YouTube channel, all of the behind the scenes stuff. I have them all listed here for you guys. I love reading ebooks, and I've been really obsessed with this book called Crazy Rich Asians. This is the very first book that is going to be transformed into a movie that is a full Asian cast. This book is all about a girl named Rachel who's meeting her boyfriend Nick's family for the very first time. So she is based out of New York City, and her boyfriend's family is in Singapore, and they happen to be super rich. So I can't wait to see the movie, and I highly recommend this book to you guys. Yay! So you've made it to the end of this video. Comment down below and let me know which idea you are the most excited to recreate. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at @FashionByAli for more style inspiration, and I always love posting photography tips and ideas there. Skillshare is giving away 2 free months of classes to the first 500 of you to sign up. Be sure to act fast and click on that link down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!